And let us listen to an inspiring welcome address from Kinder 2 with honors, Aliyah Celine D. Eugenio.
Good afternoon, beloved parents, fellow kindergarten completers, dear teachers and staff, our respected principal, and honorable directress. A warm welcome to all of you. Today we are gathered here for a momentous event to share and to celebrate in the excitement of this special day. First of all, I thank our dear God for this day, for His love and care. He's been with us every step of the way, guiding us, teaching us, and blessing us. To our dear mentors and teachers, especially Teacher Tin, Teacher Sarah, and Teacher Levy, we are sincerely grateful for your dedication and patience to teach and guide us. To our beloved parents, we know how proud you are of our achievements. Thank you. Thank you for your unwavering love and support. To our dearest school, Second Home Academy, thank you for making this learning journey fun and enjoyable for us. To my fellow completers, some of us have cried in the very first day, but look how far we come. We sure are bravers and have way more fun. We truly have learned a lot from our ABCs and 1, 2, 3 to reading, writing, and owning our talent. Let us continue to be curious, kind, clever, and compassionate. Here's to the friendship that we have made along the way. Thank you everyone for joining us today. To us kindergarten completers, be proud and congratulations.